Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, the idea is good in principle, but as ever with all things Nigerian, it is guaranteed to fall apart at the implementation stage. Guys, I bring you this. Buhari government begins payment of 20,000 naira to poor Nigerians. So this is off the back of that national broadcast that Mallam Buhari did, that Nnamdi Kanu will have you believe that he did from a basement in Cuba. So again, the headline, Buhari government begins payment of 20,000 naira to poor Nigerians. So now let's find out exactly what is going on here. The federal government has commenced payment of 20,000 naira each to 5,000 beneficiaries of its conditional cash transfer CCT program in the Federal Capital Territory FCT. Hajiya Sadiya Umar Farouk, the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, disclosed this on Wednesday at Kwali Area Council in the FCT News Agency of Nigeria reports. Farouk said the payment was in line with the directive by President Muhammadu Buhari. Buhari, in a nationwide broadcast on Monday, announced the payment as a measure to cushion the effect of the lockdown in Lagos and Ogun State, as well as the Federal Capital Territory, on poor and vulnerable households. As we know, the CCT is for poor and vulnerable households in the country. Beneficiaries are entitled to 5,000 naira every month. However, the payment of 20,000 naira now to each beneficiary is for 4 months. It is going to happen all over the country, but we are starting with the FCT, Lagos and Ogun State. These are frontline states. Other states will follow. With the current pandemic and circumstances on the ground, this amount will go a long way to support the families in their daily lives. Today, we are giving out 20,000 naira each to about 190 beneficiaries in Kwali area councils. The total beneficiary in the FCT are 5,000, Farouk said. The minister further said that the beneficiaries were chosen without any form of bias, adding that political party affiliations was never a criterion for selection of beneficiaries. So this is now, like I said, the idea is good in principle, but in implementation, of course, the thing is going to dabaru. And I say this, of course, because I know the Nigerian state and you know the Nigerian state as well. So they release funds and maybe 10% will get to 1 or 2 lucky people and the rest, of course, will disappear. This is really the narrative of the Nigerian space. Conversations in the comment section. Palliative measures by Mallam Buhari. Come share thoughts. Is this palliative measures or another round of wolf money for the boys? You have to remember, of course, that this Farouk woman is Mallam Buhari's girlfriend. That was the same woman that forced Aisha Buhari to come back from London hurriedly to come and fight for her home. So come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this attempt now by Mallam Buhari to share money amongst everyday Nigerian in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.